In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can create a new Roblox account, whether you are on a PlayStation 5 or a PS4. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and it lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you had any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we could help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. But first things first, open up Roblox on your console. And if you're already into an account, you need to go ahead and sign out. You just select those three little dots just like so and then hit log out and you'll be good to go. But after signing out, Roblox will take you back to the main screen where you'll be prompted to actually just, create a new account. So just hit create account, enter your birthday, choose your username and password. You don't have to pick a gender if you don't want to. And if the username is already taken, try a different one until Roblox does accept it. But once everything's filled out, confirm, and then of course you'll get loaded into the account itself. And that is it. That's how you can create and use a new Roblox account on a PS5 or a PS4. If you guys had any questions, ask them down in the comment section below and we could help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out. Let us know that you want more content. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.